guys! What should you choose for lightening, Super Blond line dye or powder? Let's remember. Level 12. Super Blond dye lightens only natural hair by 3, 4, or 5 levels. This value can vary depending on the brand. So, with this dye, you can lighten level 6 or 7 hair up to level 11 or 12 at most. But there are cases where some pigment remains on the grown-out blonde hair from a previous coloring with root darkening. And then you'll have to clean such hair with a bleaching powder. But powder lightens more intensely, and you might be afraid of over-lightening the hair, which is undesirable for your client. No one is forcing you to leave the powder on for the maximum processing time. You can always stop the reaction at any time once the depth of tone has reached the level you intended. For example, 11 or 12. To do this, you just need to wash the powder off the hair, and you'll get clean lightening on both the natural hair and the previously colored area. Of course, it's quite possible that Super Blond could handle this task, but it doesn't work with artificial pigment. It will lighten the remaining natural pigment in the hair in the colored area, but it won't affect the artificial one. Therefore, using Super Blond in such a case won't give an ideal and predictable result.